iron ore from Bailadila range in Bastar district through slurry pipeline reached to Vishakhapatnam, reached to understood, and it is utilized by which steel plant? Vishakhapatnam steel plant. It is utilized by Vishakhapatnam steel plant, and it is exported to Japan and South Korea from Vishakhapatnam port, and it is exported to Japan and South Korea through which port? Understood? So we have seen which district? Bastar district. Very good things are there, but it is a Naxal problem is there. So I said that Bastar district has what is the important? Kangar Ghati National Park, Kangar river is going, Tirathgarh waterfall, and Bailadila range has iron ore. Below there is a Dantewada. Which one I said that? Dantewada district. And from the Dantewada again another river is crossing, and its name is, I said that, Indravati river. Which river? Which river? Which river? And these rivers, and south of Dantewada there is, and I said that another river is there, Sabri. Indravati and which river I said that? Sabri. Which are the two rivers I said that? Indravati, Sabri. And these two rivers meet with in Telangana with the Godavari river. So iska matlab these rivers are what? Tributary of Godavari. Which are the river I said that? So Indravati and Sabri originated from where? Eastern Ghat and also Kangar river. It is originated from Eastern Ghat, and then Kangar river, Kangar Ghati National Park, Tirathgarh waterfall, Indravati in Dantewada, Indravati National Park. Which national park in Dantewada? समझ में आ गया? Why it is known as Indravati National Park? Because it is on the Indravati river. Understood? Indravati National Park. Understood it? Clear? So I said that simple. Till now we have finished with, I have to see only Bhilai steel plant and Balco. Two things now we have to see. I said that Chhattisgarh, if I said that it is surrounded by Amarkantak Pratti on the western side, western or eastern? Western side. Eastern side I said that Eastern Ghat, and then north Ramgarh Hills, south Dandakaranya Plateau, and in between Chhattisgarh basin. Now which kind of soil? Red soil. What they are growing? Rice. And then it is known as rice bowl of India. Why? Thousands of variety. These things it is clear. Or maximum kahan pe grow hoga? Chhattisgarh basin. All the water is coming. Thereafter we have seen the districts. And the districts I said that Durg, Bilaspur, Korba, Raigarh, Korea, Sarguja, Jaspur. Then I said Raipur. After the Raipur, we have seen above Raipur, Janjgir, Maisamund, Dhamtari. Janjgir, Maisamund, Dhamtari. Understood? Then we have seen Kabir Dham, Rajnandgaon. Kabir Dham. Then we come to know about, I said that, Kanker, Bastar, Dantewada. Kanker, Bastar, Dantewada, Bijapur, Narayanpur. Understood? Then now, mineral reserve and other facts. Durg district, Dalli Rajra range, iron ore and Bhilai steel plant. Another we have seen Korba and Bilaspur. Korba and Bilaspur coal field, and Korba has, I said that, I said what? Balco, Bharat Aluminium Company. B for Bharat, AL for Aluminium, CO for company. Bharat Aluminium Company. Thereafter I said that, क्या मैंने बोला, बिलासपुर हैज अचना कमर अमरकंटक बायस्फेरिसर. Then I said Korea, Sarguja, and then Jaspur. Korea has Hasdev River, Hasdev Dam. Thereafter we had talked about, I said that below I come into Dhamtari, and from the Dhamtari, Farsia village, Mahanadi river originated. Its left bank tributaries are Eeb, Mand, Hasdev, and then Shivnath. And then right bank tributaries are Ong, Jong, Tail. Ong, Jong, and Tail. Then we have seen the dams, 4 dams in the Chhattisgarh. Then I said that Dudhwa, Gangrel, Sondur, Marum Sindhi. And then in the Odisha, in Sambalpur, we have seen Hirakud, Tikrapara, Naras. Understood? Thereafter I said that there is an, I said Kanked, Bastar. Bastar has, what I said that?